time with the beer man. Man, what's going on, man? Hey, how's it going, everyone? How you doing? That's good. I'm glad to hear that. So, what I want to share with you today is a nice beer.
Ooh, that's
something
nice.
I caught to my attention looking through the beer store in Seaside. Was it a 5.2%? 5.3%. Belching Beaver, Oceanside, California. Southern Cal, watch out. Belching Beaver, peanut butter stout, milk stout. So it's going to be a little lower percentage, a little sweeter, a little more flavorful of whatever they're trying to present. It says they've got a nice roasted peanut-like flavor in there with a nice dark stout. They said don't be fooled by the dark stoutness. They said it's real smooth. I was doing a little reading on it. Of course, it all has water, malt, hops, and yeast. America's favorite peanut butter milk stout. This silky smooth beer put us on the map. Troy come up with the idea, combining the peanut butter with the Beaver's milk stout, and he nailed it, man. Don't let the dark color fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink with the cascading aromas of roasted peanuts, not roasted peanuts, dark chocolate and coffee. We appreciate your continued support. 65.3%, 355 milliliters, 12 ounces. The Belching Beaver. And the funny thing is that I was looking through at all the beers, and I'm like, oh, I think I'll take this one too. So I go to check out, and I'm like, oh, they're both Belching Beaver. So it's just kind of weird how energies kind of make you pick one company, I guess. I don't know. This was the company on my mind, I guess, in my flow, in my universe. So, brewed and canned by Belching Beaver Brewery, Oceanside, California, 92056. Zip code. www.belchingbeaver.com. There was a government warning. Be careful, you pregnant women. You know, they actually said a milk stout was something that was served to pregnant women back in the day in England, or in Britain, Great Britain, in those walks of life, in that time. Of course, the milk stout was probably a 2.5%, 3%, barely anything in it, but it was good for you, and it is good for you in moderation. Right on. Peanut butter milk stout. Belching Beaver. 5.3%. Ooh. Nope. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Got nice head retention on that sucker. It's almost got like a hazy dark black look to it. Wow, man. Look at that.
Even now,
this is crazy. Kind of a tan head.
Out your window, or when you turn on your television, you can feel it when you go to work,
Tan head.
when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Awesome. Oh my god, dude. It smells so good. Dude, it smells like a dark milkshake. It's got coffee and peanut buttery smells in it. Oh my gosh. It smells like brownies. Peanut butter brownies. Oh. Oh my lord. Oh my god. This is... I mean, I couldn't drink 6 of them. But to have this with like a brownie, let's say like a medicated brownie, a pot brownie, man. Damn, dude, eat a pot brownie with a pot. Sound like I'm from Wisconsin or Chicago, Michigan. Eat a pot brownie with this. Eat a brownie. I don't care what you eat, but man, this is so milk stouty, sweet, very sweet. Almost I can't drink, but good. So like I can drink, but like that's where I'm going. I can't buy a 6-pack and drink 6 of these. I would probably throw up because it's so sweet. But not to say it's bad. Belching Beaver, you did a superb job on this. I mean, there has to have been extract added in the secondary or something to add that. I mean, well, you obviously put peanuts in it or something in the boil or something. I don't know, man. But this is good. It's definitely a dessert. Oh, it's so sweet that it's like kind of hard to drink. Yeah. It's kind of like a wine, like a beer wine, but with chocolate, peanut butter, and coffee is all I taste with sweet, like, and then kind of a bitter, beer-like flavor in the end. But man, it's very overpowering, that sweet. 1 or 2 of these, maybe with like a nice sweet cake or something, would be so good. It really would. You can cook with this. This is a very good cooking beer. Right on, man. Belching Beaver, man. Love the name. I think it's great. Awesome. 1 or 2 though. Peace, guys. Thanks. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe today. Like my videos, comment, and that'll be great. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a good night.